Hello everyone and welcome to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand things that you should do before and after buying a health insurance policy. Imagine this. You're in a hospital feeling unwell and you expect your health insurance to support you. But then, you're told the treatment isn't covered. It is a situation no one wants to face. And the truth is, many people find themselves here simply because they didn't check a few important things before buying their health insurance policy. In this part, we will cover 5 key things you should always check before purchasing a health insurance policy. These are simple steps that can make a big difference. First, check the waiting periods. Health insurance doesn't cover every condition from day one. For example, if you have pre-existing conditions like diabetes, asthma, or thyroid issues, treatment related to these usually come with a waiting period of couple of years. That means you will need to wait a certain amount of time before your policy starts covering those specific treatments. It's important to be aware of this so your expectations are aligned from the beginning. Second, take time to read the policy wordings. Yes, I know it may be long and detailed, but it holds all the information you need to understand about your coverage. It outlines the scope of the policies, the limits, and all the conditions mentioned. Understanding what's included and what's not helps you avoid many confusions at time of claim. Third, always check the exclusions. These are the conditions or treatments that the policy do not cover. Common exclusions can include cosmetic treatment or specific illness for a certain period. This doesn't mean the policy is unsuitable. It just means you should be fully aware of what's not included so you can plan your treatment accordingly. Fourth, make sure to fill out the application form carefully and accurately. The information provided in the form, especially related to health history, is used to assess the coverage and process claims. Providing accurate information helps ensure that your claim experience is smooth and transparent. Lastly, check the list of network hospitals available near your PIN code. You can check Star Health Network hospitals from this mentioned URL by just typing your PIN code. A wide and accessible network of hospitals is important for availing cashless treatment. If your nearby hospitals are part of the network, it makes hospitalization and billing easier and more convenient. It ensures that in time of needs, you can focus on recovery while the insurance takes care of the payments. A bonus tip which I'd like to say is to take a larger sum insured coverage. Healthcare costs in India are projected to rise at 13% in 2025, a rate higher than the global average, which is 10%. With this kind of inflation in medical expenses, having a larger coverage amount ensures that you and your family are financially protected even in the case of major treatments or multiple hospitalizations in a year. It's better to be slightly overcovered than undercovered when it comes to health. Now let's talk about some things which you should do after buying a health insurance policy. Once you have bought your health insurance policy, it might feel like the hard part is done. But actually, there are few important things you should do right after receiving your policy documents. These small checks can make a big difference when it really matters at the time of a claim. So, here are 5 things you should always do after purchasing your health insurance plan. First, check all your personal details in the policy document, like your name, date of birth, address, and contact information. These may seem like minor things, but even a spelling error or incorrect detail can cause delays in claim processing. If you find any discrepancy, get it correct immediately by contacting your insurer's support team. Second, verify your medical history details as mentioned in the policy. If you disclosed a pre-existing illness or condition at the time of buying the policy, make sure it is clearly noted in the document. This acts as a confirmation that your health insurance declaration was received and acknowledged correctly, and it also helps avoid issues during claim time. Third, if you have ported your health insurance policy from another insurer, double-check whether your previous policy benefits like waiting period credits or no claim bonuses have been carried forward. Porting is meant to preserve your continuity benefits, so confirming this early can prevent misunderstanding later. Fourth, make sure you set or update your emergency contact information. In case you are ever hospitalized and unable to communicate, it's important that the insurer has the right person to contact. This is especially useful when claims need to be initiated or documents need to be submitted quickly. Lastly, take a moment to go through all the product details in your final policy document. If you had opted for any add-ons or riders like critical illness or maternity cover, check that they are mentioned and listed properly. Riders add significant value to your base plan, so it's essential that they're officially included in your coverage. Doing these quick checks doesn't take long, but it ensures that your policy is accurate, complete, and ready when you need it most. So that's all for this video. These simple checks both before and after buying don't take long, but can make all the difference when you or your loved ones truly need support. Stay informed, stay protected, and always make the most of your health insurance. Hit the like button if you like this content, comment with your queries below, and subscribe to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel for more such content.